Welcome to Hub4Everybody tutorial overview of web tools. Hub4Everybody is a map-centered web portal. There are three options how you can use the hub. You can use the free tier at hub4everybody.com. You can have a custom instance of Hub at our cloud, or you can deploy a self-maintained installation of the hub on your custom infrastructure, as everything from Hub4Everybody is an open source. In this video we will show you how you can customize the hub and you can assemble it from components you really need. First, there can be static websites, as you can see at this homepage. Also specialized article pages, like this page about land use. There can be also blog pages with blog posts and comments. You can also have a forum with discussions for certain topics. Also, you can create courses for e-learning, which consist of lessons and optionally from quizzes, which have always several questions, and at the end of the quiz they are evaluated and display the result of the quiz. And of course, you can create pages where there is just a map and nothing more. To start using the hub, all you have to do is to create an account if you don't have one yet. To create an account, you must sign up, for which you need a valid email address, input your credentials, and a strong password. If you already have an account, just sign in. As a registered free user, you can save and edit data under your workspace, you can create map compositions, and also create new pages. Everything is then stored in your personal workspace. The key part of the hub's interface is the map. Map can be a standalone page, as in this example, or there can be a map frame inserted into other pages, like articles, blog posts, or e-learning quizzes. The map frame has various tools which you can use to manipulate the content of the map. You can turn on and off individual layers. You can change base maps. You can see the legend of the map. You can add additional data sources. You can change the language of the map interface. Or you can swipe the layers so you can see multiple layers at once. Most of the tools are located in the panels in the sidebar of the map. Now let's see how to create a new page in the content management system. To open the administration interface, you must click the floating button of the wagtail bird in the bottom right corner of any page. Here you have the option to create new pages under your workspace. If there are none yet, you can select which type of page you want to create. So let's first create a new simple web page. The page needs a new title. In this example, we will create a page about bioregions in Europe. So I will input bioregions as the title of the new page. Then I will start composing the body of the page. I will create a responsive grid row which will have two columns with a content. In the first column, I will input some text about bioregions, which is just copy-pasted from Wikipedia, of course with correct citation. In the second column, I will input a map. The map block is named HS Layers Map. If you have already created a map composition for your page, you can find it here in the search field. Then you have the optional possibility to change some settings of the map. For example, which panels will be available for the user, which tools will be there, if the sidebar will be opened or closed, what will be the center of the map, or which projection will the map use. For example, in this demonstration page, I will only allow to zoom in the map when the Ctrl key is pressed, to prevent scrolling and zooming the page at the same time. Once you are satisfied with your page, you can check the preview, how the page will look like. The preview can be displayed for mobile phones, as you can see now, when the columns are stacked on top of each other, on tablets or on regular computer screens. You can also open the preview in the full size, so we can see the page in full. And this is the result of our very simple example page with a text block and a maps window. Once you are done with drafting your page, you can publish it and make it public. The page is then available under your personal workspace, as you can see here. And you can share the URL of the page with anyone you like. As the Hub4Everybody is centered around spatial data and maps, you can check the data which are already available in the Hub. For this purpose, there is a data catalog called Layman, where you can browse the spatial layers which were uploaded from all users, and also map compositions uploaded by all users. You can also search through the metadata of layers and compositions. For this, there is a metadata catalog called Mitska. In this catalog, you can see all important metadata about the layers. As an added bonus, there is a page called Data, which you can find at Hub4Everybody under the Tools. And in this page, you can find some demonstration datasets to use and play around.